Cross full right, point. Pussy gate 62, contact departure.
Third departure, Pussy gate.
Triple 1061 Boston Tower, may not align up the lane vehicle inspecting the runway.
1061.
Picture 5785 Yankee, 33 right, hold short, runway 4 left.
Did again for breach air 5785.
Yankee 33 right, short of 4 left.
Yankee 33 right, short of 4 left. Breach air 5785.
5785, contact ground point 9.
Ground point 9 or breach air 5785.
Tower Jet 692 with you, final runway 48.
Jet 692 Boston Tower, you 172 mile final, runway 48 foot land, traffic will hold on across the runway.
Alright, clear land, we check it out.
Triple 1061, runway 9 across the takeoff.
Runway 9 clear for takeoff, triple 1061.
Breaking 1449 Boston Tower, right now to line up away, traffic will land across the runway.
Runway 9, line up and wait to American 1449.
45 on 33 left, short of 9.
39 on 33 left, 45.
Dashboard 2939 ILS, 794.
Dashboard 2939 Boston Tower, E174 mile final, runway 4 right, clear to land. Traffic will hold on across the runway.
Clear land, 4 right, dashboard 2939.
25 cross main niner, hold short main 4 right. Triple 1061, contact departure. Right up.
22, 4 right.
Repair 4522 Boston Tower, dash 83 mile final, runway 4 right, clear to land. Traffic will hold on across the runway.
4 right, clear to land, break car 4520.
Jazz 692, Yankee 33 right, hold short main 4 left.
4 left, Jazz 692.
2118, contact departure. Dashboard 2939, turn left at Foxtrot, short of 4 left, and contact ground point 9. Canada 751, contact departure. Runway 9, request takeoff.
Runway 9, request takeoff, 1097.
Triple left 29, Boston Tower, runway 9 on line of away, traffic will land across the runway. Your 4522, taxi Yankee, 33 right, hold short, main 4 left.
Can you repeat that again, 4522?
Sure, 2 left turns there and short of 4 left.
2 left turns, short of 4 left, breakyard 4522.
4522, contact ground point 9.
49.
Tower Delta 849, ILS 4 right.
Delta 849, runway 4 right, clear to land, traffic E190, 1 mile final.
Delta 849.
Contact departure. A320 Boston Tower, runway 4, right to the land if you didn't get that. Thank you. Triple 1159, runway 9, clear for takeoff.
1159.
Radar contact, I maintain 14,000.
Well,
Departure from water, JetBlue 1097, 1,500, summit 5,000 on the blazers. JetBlue 1097, Boston departure, your radar contact, I maintain 14,000. I maintain 14,000, JetBlue 1097.
Contact Boston Center 128.75. 2875 Delta 2118. JetBlue 1159-2, climbing 5,000. JetBlue 1159, Boston departure, radar contact, climb maintain 1010,000.
Climb 1010,000, JetBlue 1159.
Gulfstream 5 Tango Mike first.
5 Tango Mike, go ahead.
Gulfstream 5 Tango Mike, Mr. Check in, climb maintain 12,000.
12,000. Blazer, JetBlue 1097.
Gulfstream 5 Tango Mike, turn left heading 170.
Left heading 170 to 85.
JetBlue 1097, contact Boston Center 133.42.
133.42, JetBlue 1097, good day.
Boston Center, JetBlue.
Departure 1 is JetBlue 1097, 9,000, north, coming 14,000.
JetBlue 1097, Boston Center, low climb, maintain flow 200.
Company flight 200, JetBlue 1097.
November 872 Juliet, fly heading 310, vector clear time. Heading 310, 72 Juliet. Can you run 4 to 24? Just a little bit of occasionally step up.
All flights are non-smoking, vaping, and electronic cigarettes. We'll be starting our snack and beverage service here in just a few moments. First, we'll be passing through the cabin with a selection of eat-up boxes, numbers 1 through 4, pillows, blankets, and earbuds. Those items are for purchase. We'll come through again with our beverage service. We do have Pepsi products, water, juices, tea, and freshly brewed Dunkin' coffee. Your wine and liquor available for purchase as well. You'll accept major debit or credit cards and Apple Pay on board. As always, you can enjoy 50% off if you use your JetBlue card. Please note that you are not allowed to consume any alcohol.
56 flight heading 250 vector for
And finally, we'll come through with our complimentary snacks. We do have plantain chips, pretzels, and sea salt pop chips available.
Boston, good morning, Victor 5828 at 210, 290 knots.
Victor 58.5 approach.
Approach, Victor 5828.
November 872 Juliet, climb
And of course,
level
this is
380.
maintain 380, Juliet. We are going to begin our in-flight service momentarily. Folks, please be mindful of your arms and legs as we
November
pass by
872 Juliet, thank you, clearance.
And do keep in mind that that seatbelt sign is still on right now. That's for your safety. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight.
Jesus, center maintain flow 210.
240 for 210, United 56.
JetBlue 690, contact Boston first 120, flight 20. At 560, thank you, Rick Butter, Kelly. Signal Unit 56.
Alright, 72 Juliet, contact Boston Center 118.42, good day.
1842, 72 Juliet, good day.
Pitch at 982, descend via the Roebuck 3 Apple, runway 48, Providence, Elsinore, 985.
Okay, descend by the Roebuck 3 and 2985 for extension 92.
Tower 72 Juliet, contact Boston Center 118.42.
Boston Airlo, Southwest 683, 12,000 to 14,000.
Southwest 683, Boston Center, left side, maintain flow, 230.
230, Southwest 683.
For Jeff 5828, descend via the Roebuck 3 Apple, runway 48, to Providence, Elsinore, 985.
Descend via the Roebuck 3 for 4 right, 2985, regard 5828.
Okay, 956, descend to maintain 16,000 to Boston, Elsinore, 987.
Was that United 56 down to 16,000?
Affirmative. JetBlue 1097, climb maintain flow 230.
Maintain flow 230, jump with 1097.